when you open the package, there were this small spare part and the other parts. It usually needs this. First, connect the charge cable here. This plug is for connecting the air compressor. You see, this pipe is the air compressor it has. Now, plug the charging cable. This is pipe. This is pipe in the package. It is connected with this. And then this connect with this. This is also, you not only need this one, also you can connect it with the glue, is also okay. This is glue. The switch is tightly just like this. And then this is switch to control the glue. And now connect this switch in the glue, and then this is switch to control the glue. You see? And then connect this with the machine. Now it is okay. When you turn on this switch, then you can use this.